In the wacky world of physics and chemistry, there were some truly eccentric characters. Let me introduce you to a few of them. Meet Sir Isaac Bunsen Burner, a zany physicist with a passion for heat and explosions. He loved playing with fire and cooking up scientific concoctions in his lab. But his most prized possession was his trusty Bunsen burner. With a flick of a switch, he could summon a powerful flame that could make even the most stubborn substances surrender. On the other side of the scientific spectrum, we have Madame Electronica, a sassy chemist who had a love-hate relationship with electrons. She was always trying to keep those mischievous little particles in check, but they loved to play hide-and-seek in the atomic world. Whenever she thought she had them figured out, they would zip off in random directions, leaving her scratching her head. Now, in this whimsical world, there was a rivalry between the physicists and the chemists. They were like two stubborn siblings, constantly arguing over who had the cooler experiments. One day, Sir Isaac Bunsen Burner and Madame Electronica decided to settle the score with a grand showdown. They each gathered their scientific tools and prepared for a mind-blowing event. Sir Isaac set up a magnificent display of explosions and colorful flames, while Madame Electronica arranged an intricate dance of atoms and molecules. It was a battle of spectacle versus subtlety. As the show began, Sir Isaac's explosions rocked the stage, sending shockwaves through the crowd. But Madame Electronica wasn't one to be outdone. With a wave of her hand, she created a dazzling light show, as electrons jumped from one energy level to another, emitting brilliant colors. The audience was in awe, torn between the fiery chaos of Sir Isaac's display and the graceful elegance of Madame Electronica's atomic ballet. It was a tie, a perfect fusion of physics and chemistry, chaos and order, fire and light. And so, the physicists and chemists learned that in this exciting world, they were not enemies but two sides of the same coin. Their work intertwined, each relying on the other to unlock the mysteries of the universe. From that day forward, they vowed to collaborate and bring the wonders of science to the world, with a touch of humor and a sprinkle of madness. And so, the adventure continues in the wacky world of physics and chemistry, where explosions and electrons dance hand in hand, and laughter fills the air as scientists unlock the secrets of the universe, one funny experiment at a time.